Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing a tutorial to show how to do a moss stitch. In the UK it's called moss stitch, but I think in the United States I think it's called seed stitch. I'm not absolutely certain. In other countries it could be the same as well. So I'm going to show you how to do this stitch. It's a very easy stitch for any beginner, and for this particular stitch you need an odd number of stitches. I've got 21 stitches on here, and I'll start with a knit stitch and end with a knit stitch. You start what you start with, you finish with the same stitch. And there's actually 2 rows to the pattern, but both rows are the same. Just one is knit, it's knit 1, purl 1. And the second stitch is purl 1, knit 1. So you purl over the knit and knit over the purl on the second row. So I will show how it's done. It's a nice easy pattern, and it's one that's done on a lot of little baby jackets, where they do it for the edge, around the edges of the jackets, this one. But it's also a nice pattern to do for a whole sweater for an adult, because I've done them myself before. So I'm starting with a knit stitch. A knit stitch. And then I'm doing purl over that knit stitch. And knit over the purl stitch. Purl over the knit stitch. Knit over the purl stitch, purl over the knit stitch, so it's knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 stitch, purl 1 stitch, knit over the purl stitch, purl over the knit stitch, and the last stitch is a knit stitch. That's the first row done. And then, as you can see, the next row is exactly the same. Knit 1, purl over the knit stitch, knit over the purl stitch, purl over the knit stitch, knit over the purl stitch, purl, knit, purl, and carry on across the row. I'm nearly at the end of this row, and again it's knit over the purl stitch, purl over the knit stitch, knit over the purl stitch, purl over the knit stitch, and knit over the last purl stitch. And that's all there is to that pattern. It's a nice pattern and it looks very nice. And if you like my video and you would like to see more, thumbs up and subscribe.